going to be terribly cold. So why don't you slip on a fin and swim right over?
Come along and follow me to the bottom of the sea. We'll join in the jamboree at the codfish ball. Ooh, lobsters dancing in a row, shuffle up to buffalo. Jellyfish sway to and fro at the codfish ball. Fin and Heady leads the eel through an Irish reel. The catfish is a dancing man, but he can like the sardine can. Tuna's trucking left and right, Minnie's mooching, what a night. There won't be a hook in sight at the codfish ball.